Hello everybody, tonight we will not cook a classic of the French cuisine, but a monument of the French cuisine. I will cook tonight a blanquette de veau, which is a veal stew. It's pretty long to cook, 2 hours. It's easy to prepare, 20-25 minutes. And to prepare it, what we need? We need 1.2 kg of veal. Here it's flanc and tendron. You need 1 egg, 1 lime, some thyme, 2 onions, 3 carrots, 100 grams of mushrooms. You need 30 grams of butter. You need 100 grams of cream, some salt, pepper, some flour, and then I will cook on the side some rice to go with the stew. And here for 4 people I take 4 cups of rice, and for sure some utensils, some tools, and a torchon. So the first things to do is to start cooking immediately the veal in cold water. So you plunge that in cold water and then you start cooking. It will take roughly 2 hours to cook the veal. After a good 30 minutes of cooking, or 45 minutes of cooking of the veal, you have the white foam appearing on the top. Then what I recommend you is to remove it, not all. While the meat is cooking, it's time to clean the mushrooms. To clean the mushroom is very simple. You plunge them in water like that. And my small secret is to use a clean, for sure, and brand new toothbrush to clean them. Let's do it. The mushrooms are now clean. I will cut a piece of the foot of each of the mushroom. Then I will prepare the carrots and the onions. Let's do it. I'm finishing to cut the mushrooms, and when they will be ready I will put them on the side, because you will add them to your preparation only 20 minutes before the meat is finally cooked. Now I will prepare the carrots and the onion, and the time to put it with the meat to continue to boil the meat and cook the meat. One hour before the end of the cooking, it's time to prepare the rice. To do so, I place my rice inside the rice cooker. Then, to give taste to my rice, I will take some of the bouillon here. So I take 2 spoons of the bouillon, maybe even 3. Voila. And then I will pour the bouillon directly in the rice cooker. Then to complete, I'm putting water, and as I've put 4 cups of rice, I need to put up to 4. Voila. Then I close and I start cooking. Simple as that. I just start cooking the rice 1 hour before the end. So now it's time to put the mushrooms in the stew. So when the blanket is almost ready, when your stew is almost ready, it's time to prepare the sauce. So to prepare the sauce, you take a saucepan like this, you put not too hot here, and you place your piece of butter inside, and you make it melting slowly. Everything is liquid, and then here you adjust the temperature. Then you will add 2 spoons of flour, 1 and 2. Then you mix, and here you add some bouillon, so without the vegetables or the meat. 1, 2, okay, and 3. Voila. And you mix. Voila. And you can see that your sauce start to get thicker. So generally what I do, I also adjust a little bit. So I will add a little bit of bouillon to have more sauce for the meat. Voila. And I mix. And if you see that it's a little bit too liquid, then you can adjust with some flour. Voila. So you let it cook slowly like that for 5 to 10 minutes. And you see the nice sauce smelling very good. So now you can stop cooking the stew. You let it like that, and you mix your sauce. You let it cook for now 5 minutes, and then after we will add the eggs and the fresh cream. So after cooking the sauce for 5 minutes, it's time to add the yellow of the eggs. So here you don't stop twisting, please, otherwise it will make some bubbles and some disgusting stuff. And then you add the cream with it, and you continue to stir, and then your sauce will be soon very, very nice. the veal is now cooked, all the vegetable, mushroom, carrots and onion also. So it's time for me to place it in this big bowl here. So I use something to not take the bouillon with it, just the meat and the mushrooms and the carrot and the onions. Oh, that's a ring is telling me that the rice is now cooked, so it's a perfect timing. So don't throw away the bouillon. You can use it maybe to do more sauce if you are short in sauce later on. So I finish. Voila, I place it back there. Now the sauce is ready also. You see, perfect texture. So I will bring it here. Voila. Then now what I do, I take a plate, I go to the rice cooker, I place some rice in the plate, simply like that. Voila. I close it. I take some piece of meat, some carrots, some mushrooms and meat like that. Up. Voila, perfect. And then after you take the sauce, so I recommend you to be very generous on the sauce because it makes the blanquette very tasty. Voila. It's very simple to do, take a bit of cooking time, 2 hours, but the preparation is simple and easy, no more than 20-25 minutes. People recommend me also to give you advice about the wine to go with this kind of recipe. So a white one like Alsace Riesling or a Bordeaux white Graf could be a good option. Make it a little bit cold. As usual, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see the other video. Give me comments if you try yourself and if it was easy to do. Also give me comments with a recipe you would like me to cook. I will appreciate that. And as usual, it's easy, it's tasty, it's healthy, and then bon appétit.